secrecy. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problem and the solution.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you're hearing my voice and wherever you're hearing me from, okay? Today I want to teach you a very simple remedy that you can use to overcome setback. Yes, okay? So if you are the kind of person you always experience setback, promise have failed, disappointment, maybe you are expecting something at the end of the day, bam, disappointment will enter, promise have failed. Once you are looking for something, you'll be struggling, or once 5 naira enter your hand, before another money will enter your hand, it will now look as if you will have to like that maybe 5 naira enter your hand before another money will enter. It will look as if that money must finish. There are some kind of people that if little money enter their hand, it will look as if that money must finish before another money will enter. Okay, or there are some people that you see that somebody might want to do something for them, but at the end of the day the person will just change his or her mind and decide not to do it. Okay, this video is for you. And meanwhile, be very careful. I have noticed recently that some people are using my video and people are using my video at the same time they are using my pictures to scam people. Please, okay, I only have 2 numbers I'm using. Okay, my number is +234 91 33 244 211 +234 91 33 244 211. Chat me on that number, or my second number is +234 90 36 888 908 +234 90 36 888 908. So you can reach me on any of this number. Okay, if you want me to reach you fast, call just chat me up on the first number. The 2 numbers are on WhatsApp. Okay, so today I want to teach you how you can use alligator pepper and salt to overcome setback. Okay, to overcome setback, to overcome promise and fail, disappointment. You know, this life is none of us. It tends to see that spiritual controls the physical, so also the physical controls the spiritual. Just like the way the spiritual will control this physical, this is spiritual, this is physical. The spiritual control the physical, so also this we can also use the physical to also control the spiritual. So they go like this, they go pari passu. Okay, they go pari passu. So it's all about energy. It's all about energy. I know generations to come we know will be better than this generation, because they will have this spiritual knowledge and they will do more than this generation. Okay, now all you need is that you are going to need alligator pepper, and then you are going to need salt. So after you have gotten your alligator pepper and you also at the same time gotten your salt, so you are going to do this for 7 days straight. You are going to put 7 seeds of alligator pepper in your hand. Put 7 seeds of alligator pepper in your palms. After then you put salt, little salt. The salt must not be much. Okay, on your palms as well. Then you put them in your mouth, chew them. After chewing it all, then as I chewing it, you keep making prayer for yourself. Any spirit of setback, any spirit of disappointment, any spirit of promise of faith, that this is what I use to remove it. From today henceforth, I want this, I want that, I want that, I want this, I want that. So you understand? Okay, so you make prayers on how you want to let it. When you don't make it the prayer, then the spirit, you blow it on your body. That's the piece of the this on your body. You blow everything on your body. Okay, you do this early morning around that kind 5. Who is there? I'm coming. You do this around that kind 5. You do this around that kind 5 in the morning, early in the morning, every day around 5 a.m. in the morning. So you have to repeat this process okay, you have to repeat this process for 7 days, keeping with the same time, which is 5 early in the morning. Okay, and you have to be this 5 consecutive days. Okay, it has to be these 5 consecutive days. You have to repeat this process 5 consecutive days. Okay, so that's it. You know what you have to know is that nothing work without the permission of God, and just like the way God has given us uncertainties that we have used to produce car today, that life is easier for us. We use some to produce telephone, we can make this task called physically. So also God have given us things we can use to better ourselves spiritually. Okay, and another thing I want to warn you about is that in anything you need to do, always keep everything to yourself, because you don't know it who. Because a lot of people plans and destiny have been ruined is because they tend to what break out themselves. The enemies cannot attack what they did not know. They only attack what they know. And nobody, no enemy, they don't have the way you think, which is that power. They don't actually have that power to see everything you plan and the rest, except with e-format. The witches uses e-format a lot, so that is why you have to keep everything to yourself until you achieve it. You want to buy a car, please keep your mouth shut until you achieve that car. You can tell that, except you are meeting somebody for a reason. You can speak out. So you see that many people that tend to keep this to themselves, they get a lot done. That those people that tend to announce something before they achieve it. And I will also advise you, there's magic in writing things down. Get a paper, everything you want to achieve, write it down. And there's a plan I want to teach you today. Okay, this year, just get a pen, write down 20. Just write down 20 ways you can double your income right now. So maybe you are earning 20,000 a month. Now you want to be earning 40,000 a month. So get a pen and paper, write it down. Ask yourself, how can I double my income this year? So by the first 10 might be easier. So the way you try to crack on paper, write it down. The universe will review ways for you that you can use to the universe will review ways for you that you can use to make more money this year. Okay, what you have to know is that it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you spend. I'm so fortunate that this generation, they derive joy in spending rather than deriving joy in investing or saving. Yes, I'll come again. In this generation, most people, they derive joy in spending rather instead of them to derive joy in saving and investing. Okay, so please, anything you don't understand in this video, ask question. I will definitely get back to you. See you guys in the next video. But the 2 numbers and measures are actually my work numbers, and please don't allow anybody to scam using my face or my video. That's what I decided. Before, I don't used to call my numbers on the screen. I don't used to call my number. I only write it on the screen. So this is why I decided to be calling my number. The one that had the 908 and the one that had the 211. Okay, apart from that, if anybody chat you up with that with another number, that is not me. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, and if there's anything you want me to make video on for you, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely make video on that for you. See you guys in the next video. Who there is Zuzu? Let me complete it. Where there is God, everything is 100%. See you guys.